Okay, we're gonna have a test of compressor TUXING TXED012 model with auto stop here. We have the hoses for water cooling, and we have the water pump submerged. The compressor is off. Here the power cable for the water pump is plugged in into the compressor. The other cable is not yet plugged in, so we're gonna plug it in and we turn it on, and the water start moving. As you can see, here it is going. Okay, so the cooling is working, and we're gonna start the compressor. We filled here the oil halfway. Okay, and the stop is set to 100 bar, and we press the button, and we're gonna use this paper strap just to check if there is some air blowing from somewhere. On here the filter is not plugged in anywhere, just to check if it's blowing air from here. On. And as you can see, the temperature gauge here is not showing anything on the display.